Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Mudslide.
Mudslide. A fast-moving flow of mud, often after heavy rain.
Mudslide.
Mudslide.
Heatwave.
Heatwave. A long period of extremely hot weather.
Heatwave.
Heatwave.
Blizzard.
Blizzard. A severe snowstorm with very strong winds and low visibility.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Hurricane.
Hurricane. A powerful rotating storm with strong winds and heavy rain that forms over the North Atlantic Ocean, Central North Pacific, and Eastern North Pacific Oceans.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. Strong winds carrying sand through the air, common in deserts.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Hailstorm.
Hailstorm. A storm that drops balls of ice from the sky.
Hailstorm.
Hailstorm.
Cyclone.
Cyclone. A rotating storm with a low pressure center that forms over the South Pacific and Indian Oceans.
Cyclone.
Cyclone.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. A storm with lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and sometimes hail.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Lightning strike.
Lightning strike. A sudden flash of electricity between clouds and the ground.
Lightning strike.
Lightning strike.
Waterspout.
Waterspout. A tornado that forms over water, creating a spinning column of air and water.
Waterspout.
Waterspout.
Meteorite impact.
Meteorite impact. When a rock from space hits the Earth's surface.
Meteorite impact.
Meteorite impact.
Typhoon.
Typhoon. A powerful rotating storm with strong winds and heavy rain that forms over the Northwest Pacific Ocean.
Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Limnic eruption.
Limnic eruption. A rare disaster where carbon dioxide suddenly erupts from a lake, suffocating nearby life.
Limnic eruption.
Limnic eruption.
Lava flow.
Lava flow. Melted rock flowing from a volcano.
Lava flow.
Lava flow.
Solar flare.
Solar flare. A sudden burst of energy from the sun that can affect Earth's technology.
Solar flare.
Solar flare.
Flash flood.
Flash flood. A sudden, dangerous flood, often after heavy rain.
Flash flood.
Flash flood.
Water scarcity.
Water scarcity. When there is not enough clean water for people's needs.
Water scarcity.
Water scarcity.
Geyser eruption.
Geyser eruption. When hot water and steam shoot out of the ground, like a natural fountain.
Geyser eruption.
Geyser eruption.
Earth creep.
Earth creep. The slow, gradual movement of soil or rock downhill over time.
Earth creep.
Earth creep.
Storm surge.
Storm surge. An abnormal rise in sea level caused by a storm's winds pushing water toward shore.
Storm surge.
Storm surge.
Earthquake.
Earthquake. Shaking of the ground caused by movement under the earth.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption. Hot lava, ash, and gas explode from a volcano.
Volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption.
Tsunami.
Tsunami. A huge ocean wave caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions.
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
Tornado.
Tornado. A fast, spinning column of air that touches the ground, causing destruction.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Flood.
Flood. When water covers normally dry land, often due to heavy rain or overflowing rivers.
Flood.
Flood.
Wildfire.
Wildfire. A large, uncontrolled fire that spreads quickly through forests or grasslands.
Wildfire.
Wildfire.
Drought.
Drought. A long period with little or no rain, causing water shortages.
Drought.
Drought.
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm. A heavy fall of snow with strong winds, making travel difficult.
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm.
Sinkhole.
Sinkhole. A sudden collapse of the ground when underground spaces can no longer support the surface.
Sinkhole.
Sinkhole.
Landslide.
Landslide. When rocks and soil slide rapidly down a hill or mountain.
Landslide.
Landslide.
Avalanche.
Avalanche. A sudden rush of snow, ice, and rocks down a mountain.
Avalanche.
Avalanche.
Ice storm.
Ice storm. Freezing rain that covers everything in ice, causing slippery roads and power outages.
Ice storm.
Ice storm.
Thawing permafrost.
Thawing permafrost. When frozen ground that has been solid for years starts to melt because of rising temperatures.
Thawing permafrost.
Thawing permafrost.
famine,
famine. Extreme food shortage, often caused by drought or war.
famine,
Famine.
coastal erosion,
Coastal erosion. The wearing away of land by ocean waves and wind.
coastal erosion.
Coastal erosion.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.